To remove and replace a curb-mounted skylight, you just remove the fastener screws that are holding it to the curb, and then the skylight will hopefully lift off. It might be sealed down, so you might have to get on the inside and run a razor blade or a putty knife around the top of the curb to loosen up that sealant. But once the outside fasteners are removed from that base frame, you'll then just lift off the broken skylight. Before installing your new skylight, you're going to want to run a bead of 100% silicone sealant on top of the curb before putting it in place. So just run a bead continuous all the way around. You want that bead to be about 1/4 to 3/8 of an inch thick, about the size of a Bic pen, all the way around. And then we will then set your new curb-mounted skylight in place. It's a good idea to put your labels that indicate the fall risk on the bottom side, so that if you're coming up from the gutter or the low side of the roof, you would walk up to it and you would see that danger risk of fall. So once that new skylight is set in place, all you need to do is, using the pre-punched holes on the sides, you can pre-drill through your flashing and then install a screw that's long enough to give you at least 1 inch of penetration. So typically 1.5 inch long screw will do that for you, and just to install them all the way around in those pre-punched holes. And that's it for installing a new curb-mounted skylight.
Thank you for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful for you. We ship skylights across the entire United States and throughout North America. For local pickup of skylights in the Colorado Front Range, please contact Skyline Skylights in Colorado Springs, Colorado at 719-392-4220, or visit our website at www.skylights.com. For local pickup of skylights in the North Texas area, please contact Birdview Skylights in Fort Worth, Texas at 817-439-9266, or visit our website at www.birdviewskylights.com. And for Miami-Dade County hurricane-rated skylights and local pickup in the Miami-Fort Lauderdale, Florida area, please contact Maxim Skylights at 800-367-8168, or visit our website at www.maximskylights.com.